Galaxy Ring revealed at Galaxy Unpacked, uncovering the account of its immaculate beauty. The great Galaxy Unpacked event just got to its end with some great disclosures of its highest-end products, including its Galaxy S24 series. Besides that, as we speculated, the South Korean giant also showed off the tantalizing spectacle of the Galaxy Ring. Claims made earlier by some reliable tipsters, which we reported to, had been placing the unveiling of the Galaxy Ring into the limelight. However, the smart ring for health and wellness was showcased in a brief video. Since the next-gen wearable was only boasted in terms of its external beauty, we can't provide any credible insights into what this formidable ring is capable of. The build composition of Galaxy Ring at a glance speaks for its cautiously carved-out design, as it has a sleeky round shape. The underside of the ring accommodates a range of sophisticated sensors designed to keep track of the wearer's health and fitness. Claimed to be a powerful and accessible health and wellness device, the health and fitness measuring capabilities of the ring are expected to enable users to be well aware of how good are they going with their physical health. On top of all that, a symbolic report asserted that the smart ring was designed to oversee and evaluate biometric and physiological information, vital indicators, and personal health records. Additionally, it had the capability to advise users to seek medical guidance when necessary, depending on the information gathered. The Samsung Galaxy Ring might also be equipped with some exclusive sensors, like ECG and PPG sensors, whereas a long-lasting battery is a tip for not having a resolution display. Lastly, the company didn't reflect upon its plans to roll out this exceptional smart ring, given that the most we can say in view of the prevalent rumors is that the Galaxy Ring will launch later this year alongside the groundbreaking releases of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6.